Hello and welcome back. I'm your host Reshma and this video is brought to you by Get Right Property, your most trusted real estate platform. And today we are exploring Pushkalam Heritage, which is located at Old Madras Road near Budigere Cross, one of the fastest growing corridors in East Bangalore. Let's begin. Before we get in detail about this project, let me help you understand about Get Right Property. Get Right Property is your advisory real estate platform which holds 8 years of experience. Get Right Property is here to help you out, advise you and guide you to choose the right property which matches your requirement or which is the best deal out there. All this is under zero brokerage. That means it gives you a direct builder pricing with no hidden cost. And also, if you book through us, you get a complimentary gift as an iPhone. In this video, we'll cover project overview, why this project, location, configuration, amenities, specification, investment potential, developer credibility, and who is this for. Pushkalam Heritage is a premium residential project which is spread across 2.64 acres, and this project consists 2 towers with an elevation of 2 basement plus ground plus 14 floors, and it consists 296 premium apartment units. And the best part about this project is this project offers you 70% of open space. And what really stands out about this project is it is a low density apartment community which consists a wide range of clubhouse which is 19,000 square feet with an elevation of ground plus 3 floors. And the best part about this project is this project also offers you 25,000 square feet Eastern Pavilion as well. Right now this project is under construction, but according to RERA, the possession timeline is March 2028. For RERA details, construction status, inventory updates, or to book a site visit, you can simply visit www.getrightproperty.com or call us to the given number. This project is located at Old Madras Road near Budigere Cross, which has great connectivity to Whitefield, ITPL, Marathalli, Airport and ORR. And if you're a working professional, then IT hubs like Mindcom Tech Park, ITPB, Bagmane Tech Park and Divyashri Tech Park is just close by this location. And if you have kids, then you don't have to worry about top institutions, top schools like Orchard International School, Wibjor International School, East Point College, and Kidzi is just close by this location. And also you don't have to worry about hospitals like Manipal Hospital, Geeta Hospital, Silicon City Hospital is just close by this location. And you don't have to worry about the malls like Nexus, Shantiniketan Mall, Uptown Mall is just close by this location. And also if you're someone who travels regularly through metro, then Kyarpura metro station, which is Purple Line, is just close by this location. For commute analysis or to check the location of school, hospitals, airport, railway station, restaurant, anything you wish to, you can simply explore it on www.getrightproperty.com. Pushkalam Heritage offers spacious 2 and 3 BHK apartments. The configuration includes 2 BHK, which is 1310 square feet, and 3 BHK starting from 1440 square feet to 1890 square feet. And let me tell you, 1440 square feet dimension will have 2 toilets, and the size 1550 square feet starting from that will have 3 toilets. If you want to know more about configurations or if you need a complete list of configurations, then you can simply visit www.getrightproperty.com. If you're someone who wants to rent, resale or even buy the property, then you have to simply visit www.getrightproperty.com. Then you can fill in your details and list out the property details on our website. And if you don't have time to do all the listings, then you have to call us to the given number and our team will get back to you and help you in this process as well. Why wait when everything is convenient to you? Just visit www.getrightproperty.com right now. Now let's move forward with a thoughtfully and beautifully designed model flat which is 3 BHK 1890 square feet. And let's begin with a door. Right here is your 8 feet main door with a biometric lock as well. And then moving forward with that, let me tell you, this is a north facing unit. If you're someone who believes in Vastu, then this is definitely a right option for you. You can see, let's start with this living area. You can see how spacious, premium and luxury all in one it looks. It is so spacious that you can set up any kind of seated sofa here, right here, 3-seater, 2-seater, even L-seater. If you set up a three-seater, you still have space to set up some interiors right here. A beautiful, if you're someone who loves to design your home, then this is definitely a right option for you, because this home gives you a spacious rooms, living space and everything. And then right just opposite to your sofa, you will find an entertainment zone right here to set up your entertainment zone. Then moving forward with that, right here is your dining area. You can see how spacious enough this looks. You can set up a 4-seater, 6-seater, or any kind of designs you wish to set up a dining table right here. You can set up any kind of designs you wish to set up. And then within this, you can still set up interiors. If you set up a 4-seater, you still have space to set up some interiors right here. Then moving forward with that, right here is your balcony. A best part of this model flat is, let me tell you, this is your aluminium door in your balcony. And then moving forward with that, this is your spacious balcony. You can see how spacious enough this looks. It looks so premium and luxurious enough. If you have guests at home, then they will definitely complement this balcony. Instead of, like, you know, staying at home all the time, they'll come here and spend some time in the balcony. I'm damn sure about this. If you're someone who loves to do gardening, you can still do some gardening here. You can set up a couch or mini sofa, anything you wish to set up here. And then moving forward with a spacious kitchen, you can see how spacious this kitchen looks. If you're someone who's looking for an open kitchen, this best advantage of this kitchen is open kitchen. You can directly serve your dish from your kitchen to direct to the dining table right here. You can set up. This is an open kitchen. If you're someone who doesn't love to cook in an open kitchen, then you can still close this open area. You can do anything within this kitchen. And let me tell you, the best part about this kitchen is you get a sink within this kitchen. That is the best part. And then moving forward with that, here is your utility area. You can see how spacious enough this looks. It is a balcony sized space utility area right here. It is so spacious that you can set up anything you wish to set up right here. A dishwasher, washing machine, anything you wish to set up within this. And then moving forward with that, here is your common washroom. Right here is your common washroom. This washroom has like fittings. You get a sanitary fittings within this washroom itself, including the slab. And then moving forward with that, this is your premium kids room. Right here is your kids room. If your kid loves an open space and a very wide enough room, then this is definitely a right option for you. It is so spacious that you can set up any kind of bed you wish to set up right here. You can even set up a queen size bed if you wish to set up. Along with that, you still have space to set up a study table right here within the within this room. And the best part about this project is you get windows within this room, wide enough huge windows for natural light and ventilation. And also here still there is a space to set up a closet right here, a wide enough closet. And I'm sure that your kid will not mess up their clothes when you set up a wide enough closet. And then moving forward with that, right here is your master bedroom. This is your spacious master bedroom. You can see how spacious, premium and luxurious enough this looks. This is so spacious that you can still set up a queen size bed, king size bed, anything you wish to set up. Even though if you set up a king size bed, you will still have space to set up some interiors. If you're someone who loves to design your home room, then this is definitely a right option for you. And the best part about this model flat is, let me tell you, this room offers you a premium wooden finishing tiles within this room, and that is the best part about this room. And then you still have space to set up some interiors, or you can consider this as your entertainment zone right here. And then this comes with an attached washroom as well, with some sanitary fittings as well. Apart from all of these things, you still have an attached balcony right here. You can see how spacious enough this looks, and it is an aluminium door right here. And these tiles are anti-skid tiles. You get anti-skid tiles within this balcony itself, and it looks so spacious. You can set up any interiors, or if you want to set up mini tables or couch or mini sofa and spend some time with your loved one, that is definitely a right option for you. And then right beside your master bedroom, you will find another room right here. You can see how premium and luxurious this room looks. I personally loved this room because it is so spacious and it gives a different vibe, a calm kind of vibe. And this is so spacious that you can set up any kind of bed you wish to set up here, a king size bed or a queen size bed, anything you wish to set up. And let me tell you, it comes with an attached washroom as well. And also here is a space to set up your closet right here. You can set up a wide enough closet if you wish to set up, or if you want to set up a small closet, you still have space to set up any interiors. And then moving forward with it, here is a space to set up a dressing table or anything you wish to set up right here. Apart from all of these things, you still have space to set up any interiors you wish to set up right here, anything you wish to. And then the best part about this project is you get a wide and huge enough windows within this room itself. And let me tell you, all these are aluminium windows, and that is already impressing me. And then in this way we come to an end of this model flat. This project offers you a wide range of amenities within the project itself, and let me tell you, this project offers you a grand 19,000 square feet clubhouse, which includes many other indoor amenities within the clubhouse itself. If you want to know more about amenities, or if you want a complete list of amenities of this project, then you can simply explore it on www.getrightproperty.com right now. This project is built on RCC construction, which includes double vitrified floorings across your living area, dining, kitchen and bedrooms as well. And you get anti-skid tiles in your balcony as well, and you get a premium wooden finish tiles in your master bedroom. And let me tell you, this project offers you a aluminium sliding doors and windows across your balcony and the rooms and kitchen as well. And you get a 8 feet main door with smart lock. And also this project offers you CCTV surveillance and security system. You could see right behind me there's a construction going on. Right now this project is under construction. Not just these specifications, to know more about specification, or if you need a complete list of specifications of this project, then you can simply check it out on www.getrightproperty.com. Pushkalam Heritage is developed by Pushkalam Developers, which holds 30 years of experience, and this brand comes with an expertise in quality construction as well, and the builder is known for his on-time delivery and family-centric communities. If you want to know more about builder, you can simply visit www.getrightproperty.com. We offer a wide range of features on our website. If you're someone who's confused between 2 or 3 projects, then you have to simply visit www.getrightproperty.com, shortlist them and start analyzing. This makes it easier for you to choose the best one for you. If you need a clear analysis, then you can call us to the given number. Our team will get back to you and help you in this process as well. Let me tell you, we offer this one-on-one free advisory session, which can be done online, offline or at your own convenience. Most of the projects focus on amenities and their configuration, but Pushkalam Heritage focuses something really important, which is your comfortable living. This project is designed around open outdoor living, open-centric family spaces, spacious homes and functional layouts. And the best part about this project is this project offers you 100% Vastu compliant homes, which means if you're someone who believes in Vastu, then this is definitely a right option for you. And the best part about this project is it has no common walls and no opposite facing door units as well. And it is a BBMP approval also, and it is a Ekata land. It is not GD land, which means the land is owned by the developer itself. Everything here is smartly and properly designed for everyday living. This project is best for end-use living, long-term investment and premium asset creation, and also this is for buyers who are looking for premium 3 and 2 BHK homes. If you want to know more about investment potential or to plan your investment, then you can simply visit www.getrightproperty.com or call us to the given number. This project is ideal for IT professionals working in Whitefield and ITPL, families who are looking for a spacious 2 and 3 BHK homes, end users who are looking for a spacious community living, and it is for long-term investors as well. Pushkalam Heritage is not just another apartment project, it is a well combination of location, connectivity, comfortable living and peaceful environment as well. And if you're someone who doesn't want to run around checking the projects and wasting your time to looking for a right guidance, then you have to simply check out www.getrightproperty.com right now and don't waste your time. And also do check us out on YouTube, Instagram and Facebook. Do like, share and comment. And if you have any project to review, do drop us a comment and we'll do it for you. As we come to an end of this project, I would like to thank Mr. Manjunath for helping me out on this walkthrough, and also the team and staff of Pushkalam Heritage for supporting me in this walkthrough. And also I would like to thank the builder for giving me this opportunity. I'm your host Reshma, signing off.